In the heat of the African sun, right in front of a small garage, a group of mechanics gets to work. No lifts, no fancy equipment, just bare hands, a few worn-out tools, and years of experience. On the dusty ground lies the heart of the car, the engine. Piece by piece, they take it apart, checking every bolt, every piston, every seal. No spotless workshop here, just determination and skill. They clean the parts with whatever they have on hand. Fuel from a can becomes their solvent. Old oil becomes their assembly grease. Every move is precise, every step full of confidence. Then with the same bare hands, they lift the rebuilt engine and guide it back into the car. It's heavy, awkward, but they know exactly what they're doing. Bolts tightened, connections made, the hood comes down, a turn of the key, and the car roars back to life. It's not about the tools, it's not about the place, it's about the people. These resourceful, skilled mechanics who can bring machines back from the dead right here, under the open sky. What they do might look simple, but it's pure engineering magic.